Ever found yourself staring at a restaurant bill, calculator in hand, muttering about who had the extra side of fries and whose share of the wine was just a little bit more? Or maybe you're the designated group treasurer for a weekend getaway, painstakingly tracking every penny spent on shared groceries, activities, and accommodation. If the very thought sends shivers down your spine, then this video is for you. Because let's be honest, splitting bills can be an absolute headache. It's a common source of awkwardness, mathematical errors, and even simmering resentment among friends and housemates. You've got the person who always forgets their wallet, the one who insists on paying for everyone but never gets reimbursed, and the endless mental gymnastics of trying to remember who paid for what last time. It's a chore that steals precious time and energy, and frankly, it often sucks the joy out of shared experiences. But what if I told you there's a way to banish bill-splitting stress forever? What if there was a simple, elegant solution that makes dividing costs as easy as tapping a few buttons on your phone? A tool that not only calculates who owes what, but also helps you get paid back, all without any awkward chases or complicated spreadsheets. Well, that solution exists, and it's likely already in your pocket, or at least, easily downloadable. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Monzo and exploring how its incredibly powerful features can transform the way you manage shared expenses. Monzo, for those who might not be familiar, is a digital-first bank that has revolutionized personal finance for millions. It's known for its intuitive app, real-time notifications, and a host of features designed to make managing your money simpler, clearer, and more efficient. And among its standout functionalities is its robust approach to splitting bills. Forget about clumsy mental arithmetic or scribbling notes on serviettes. Monzo streamlines the entire process, making it frictionless and fair for everyone involved. Whether you're sharing rent with housemates, dividing the cost of a group holiday, or simply splitting a dinner bill with friends, Monzo has you covered. So, how does it all work? Let's break it down, step by step. We'll start with the most common scenario, splitting a recent transaction. Imagine you've just paid for a group meal. You open your Monzo app, navigate to that specific transaction in your feed, and right there, you'll see an option to split cost. Tapping this brings up a screen where you can select the people you want to split the cost with. Monzo intelligently pulls from your contacts, making it easy to find your friends. If they're also Monzo users, the process is even smoother, as the request will appear directly in their app. If not, don't worry, Monzo provides options to share the request via other messaging apps. Once you've selected your friends, Monzo automatically divides the total amount equally. But here's where the magic really happens. It's not just a rigid, equal split. Monzo understands that life isn't always perfectly even. Maybe someone only had a starter, while another person indulged in a 3-course meal. You can easily adjust the amount each person owes. Simply tap on an individual's share, and a numerical keypad appears, allowing you to input a custom amount. This flexibility is crucial for fairness and avoiding those awkward "but I only had water" protests. Once you've finalized the split, you hit request. For Monzo users, they'll receive a notification within their app, prompting them to pay you back. They can then simply tap to pay, and the money is transferred instantly to your account. No bank details needed, no sort codes and account numbers to mess up, just a seamless, one-tap repayment. For non-Monzo users, the app generates a shareable link that you can send via WhatsApp, SMS, or any other messaging service. This link takes them to a secure page where they can pay you back using their debit card. It's incredibly convenient and removes almost all friction from the repayment process. But the power of Monzo's bill splitting extends beyond just single transactions. What about recurring shared expenses, like household bills? This is where Monzo's shared tabs feature truly shines. Imagine you live with housemates, and you're constantly juggling utility bills, internet costs, and maybe even a shared grocery fund. Trying to keep track of who paid for what, and who owes whom, can quickly become a tangled mess. Enter shared tabs. To set one up, you navigate to the Payments tab in your Monzo app and select Create a Shared tab. You then invite the people you want to share the tab with, again, easily pulling from your contacts. Once the tab is created, any member of the tab can add expenses to it. So, if you pay the electricity bill, you simply add it to the shared tab. If your housemate pays for the internet, they add it to the tab. The beauty of shared tabs is that Monzo keeps a running tally of who owes whom within that specific tab. It intelligently calculates the net balance, so you don't have to. At any point, you can see a clear overview of who is in credit and who is in debit. And when it's time to settle up, Monzo simplifies that too. With a single tap, you can settle up the tab. Monzo will then tell you exactly who needs to pay whom and for how much, streamlining the process of squaring up all outstanding balances. It's like having a dedicated, perfectly organized accountant for your shared household finances. This feature is a game changer for housemates, couples managing joint expenses, or even small groups regularly sharing costs for a hobby or project. It eliminates the need for separate spreadsheets, WhatsApp group chats filled with payment reminders, and the inevitable awkward conversations about outstanding debts. Beyond shared tabs, Monzo also integrates seamlessly with its pots feature to enhance bill splitting. Pots are essentially sub-accounts within your main Monzo account, designed to help you organize your money for specific goals or expenses. You can create a bills pot for shared household expenses, for example. Each housemate can then set up a recurring payment into this pot, ensuring that money is automatically set aside for shared costs. When a bill comes in, you simply pay it directly from the bills pot, and the money is already there, allocated and ready. This proactive approach prevents last-minute scrambles and ensures that shared funds are always available when needed. Let's also talk about the psychological benefits of using Monzo for bill splitting. Beyond the sheer convenience, it fosters transparency and fairness. Everyone can see exactly what has been spent and how the costs are being divided. There's no room for misunderstandings or suspicions about who's pulling their weight. This transparency builds trust and strengthens relationships, removing a common source of friction in group dynamics. Think about group trips, for instance. A holiday can be ruined by constant squabbles over money. With Monzo, one person can pay for an activity, another for a meal, and a third for accommodation, all adding it to a prearranged shared tab. At the end of the trip, settling up is a breeze, leaving everyone with positive memories instead of financial headaches. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.